got a HDX 600, changing or rebuilding the drive motor. As you can see here, we got it tore apart. Here's your shaft. Here, the seals was leaking. I actually thought that part didn't move, but thought that was a seal, but it's not. So here's your casing that goes in here. It presses in, and there's actually, if y'all can see that, there's two seals right there. You have an inner and an outer here, which is these seals, two here, and you got these two or three outer seals that goes on your, it goes right here on the outside of these. One here and one here, and then you got a thin one that goes. Let's see. No, the thin one goes on this one. The thin one goes in here. So you actually got two. You got 5 seals. And we went to Nashville, and here's the place where we got our seals. We took a pump with us and got one. But this piece actually presses in here. And then you put all these on. You put this in, or put that on, and then that behind it, and then you put this on top. And then this piece goes on the very top. That's your cap. So, but other than that, that's pretty much it. And there's your Signal Industry Products Corporation. Hope it helps. Thanks.